Hello everyone, this is Tuhin Banik from Thatter, and today we'll be discussing about internal links, external links and in links. Now these three of them, even though are similar, but they three of them have different meanings altogether. So we will first start with internal links. Now let us understand what internal links are. So basically internal links are hyperlinks from one part of your web page to another part of your web page, and it needs to be make sure that none of the hyperlinks are redirected to any of the third-party landing page which is away from your domain. So this is the main concept of internal linking. Now you might be thinking why internal links are important. So basically internal links are important because it improves the user experience, it passes link authority, it passes the SEO value from one page to the another, it makes sure that your site is more crawlable, and most importantly your crawl index really improves with the help of internal linking. And last but not the least, search engines or web crawlers can crawl or navigate through your entire web page and they can consume the most out of the thing. So internal links are very important for making sure that your architectural SEO needs are up to this mark and there is no issues with the web crawlers to render and crawl the content. As you can see by one of the below statistics that with the help of internal linking, the crawl frequency can really grow. So this is a graph which shows how the crawl frequency can increase based on the number of internal links which your campaign might be having. Now I'll share some of the best practices which needs to be kept in mind while doing an internal linking. As you can see from the screen, there are multiple best practices that can help you to perform a good internal linking strategy for your campaign. But most important thing is that internal link should be from one page to the another page. They should have a clear connection and relevance with respect to the pages. It should not be that if you are internal linking two of the pages, they can be of dissimilar content. So the context of the pages should have a similar relevance, or in other words, the relevancy should be maintained. And lastly, the anchor text which should be utilized for doing the hyperlink should not be spammy. In other words, the hyperlink which should be utilized for doing the internal linking should be SEO friendly and they should not look like you are just trying to do for the purpose of internal linking. And apart from that, there are a bunch of ways, as you can see from the screen, which can help you to serve your purpose for the internal linking optimization. Now let us understand what are external links. So external links are just like the internal links, but here one part of your website is hyperlinked to a third-party website with the help of anchor text. So in internal link, your internal websites are linked, and in external links, one part of your website is linked with a third-party website. Now, what is the purpose of external links? The purpose of the external link, as you can see from the screen, this helps to improve the user credibility. This also helps to increase the authority, the trust factor of your campaign, and most importantly, with the help of proper external link, your credibility of your website really goes higher, because this proves that you are using credible sources and you are also relying on some credible sources for your information content on your campaign. A possible example is that you can use sources or credits on your landing pages, or you can use even an hyperlink if your business does not deal with a particular thing which you have hyperlinked. For instance, you are speaking about SEO, but when speaking about SEO, there might be some terms such as artificial intelligence, and your business might not do anything with artificial intelligence. In that case, artificial intelligence can be hyperlinked to any third-party website that actually speaks about artificial intelligence. So in this way, relevancy, context, credibility and trust authority can be maintained, and this can really give a good SEO score for your website. So now we will discuss about some of the best practices for doing external linking. So as you can see from the screen, there are multiple ways by which you can do your external linking, and you can carry out your external linking journey into the well-defined guidelines of the SEO protocol. But just make sure that you follow all of these guidelines, and this will help you to make sure that you have a good, well-defined external linking strategy for your campaign. So the key takeaways from this episode is that there can be two possible hyperlinking strategy for a campaign. First one is internal link, the second one is external link. The key difference between both of them is one is the hyperlinking of the same web page between the internal pages, whereas external linking is hyperlinking of your own website to a third-party website. The overall purpose of linking, both internal and external, is to improve the crawling efficiency, is to improve or pass the link juice, to increase your credibility, to increase your trust authority, and most importantly to make sure that your campaign is satisfying the EAT algorithm, because your expertise, authority and trust can be well justified with your credible and reliant sources. So thanks once again for watching this episode.